Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. We have this is square root of a plus square root of minus a is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to remove both of these two radical signs, and for this we move the term plus square root of a to the right hand side, and we get square root of minus a is equals to 4 minus square root of a. And now for removing this square root sign, we apply or we take squaring on both of the sides, and when we take squaring it will be written as the square root of minus a and its whole square equals to 4 minus square root of a and its whole square. And now further in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula into the right hand side, and you know about that. If we have x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So according to this nice formula, we just expand the right hand side of the above equation as in this form. So we have these two and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get minus a is equals to, when we apply this formula here, it will becomes 4 square minus 2 times of 4 into square root of a plus square root of a and its whole square. And now in the next step we have this is minus a is equals to, this 4 square becomes 16 minus this 2 times 4 becomes 8 times of square root of a plus this 2 and this square root are also cancelled out by each other, and we get here a only. And now here in the next step we move the term plus a to the right hand side to the left hand side, and we get minus a equals to 16 minus 8 times of square root of a. So further we have minus a becomes minus 2a is equals to 16 minus 8 times of square root of a. So further in the next step here we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. So for this we divide both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms. So when we divide each of these terms by 2, we get here this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we obtain this is minus a is equals to, this is 2 times 8 becomes 16, and we get 8 minus this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get 4 times of square root of a. And now further in the next step we just need to remove this square root sign, and in order to remove this square root sign we again apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring, it will be written as minus a whole square equals to 8 minus 4 times of square root of a and its whole square. So in order to apply this square sign, first we need to separate this square root term. So we move this minus 4 times square root of a to the left hand side, and we move minus a to the right hand side, and we get 4 times of square root of a is equals to 8 plus a. So after this step it is easy to remove the square root sign, but if you can take scaling here, then it is very difficult to remove the square root sign. So now we are ready to apply squaring on both of the sides. So this will be written as 4 times square root of a and its whole square is equals to 8 plus a and its whole square. And now first we apply this square sign separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square into square root of a and its whole square is equals to, in the right hand side we again apply the above formula. So according to that, this will be written as 8 square minus 2 times of 8 into a plus a square. And now in the next step we have this 4 square equals to 16 times this 2 and square root are gone, and we get a is equals to, This is 8 square. 8 square equals to 64, and 2 times 8 becomes 16a plus this is our a square. And now in the next step here we need more simplifications, and this will be written as, we move the term 16a from left hand side to the right hand side, and this will be written as 64 minus 16a plus a square. This positive term becomes negative 16a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. So you see that this is minus 16a, this is sorry, we have little mistake. You see that this is the positive formula. Okay, this is the positive formula, so this term becomes positive, and this is also positive. So now you see here, this is negative 16a, this is positive 16a are cancelled out by each other, and after cancellation we get the remaining values are 64 plus a square is equals to 0. And now in the next step here we use another algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square plus y square equals to x plus y iota into x minus y iota. So the above the formula be the x square minus y square formula, but here we use, this is nice, x square plus y square formula. So if you have the positive sign here, then the factors will becomes into the complex form. So now first we rewrite this equation as in this form. So we write 64 as 8 square plus a square is equals to 0. And now we are ready to apply the above formula, and according to this formula here we write it as 8 plus a times of iota, or in other words here we just write it as 8 iota plus a into 8 iota minus a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a plus 8 iota equals to 0, and the second case is we write 8 iota minus a is equals to 0. So here from this case we easily get the value of a is equals to 8 iota, and from here we get this is minus 8 iota, and from here we get the value of a is equals to plus 8 iota. So you see that from this case we easily get two values of a. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is a is equals to plus minus 8 iota. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.